Right, see your Google Calendar, you can now make just about any event, any colour you like. It's gone from 11 colours up to basically the whole rainbow. So you can colour code your entire week, work, family, the bills, your appointments, everyone its own colour. It makes the week so much easier to read at a glance. So what's actually new here? When you open an event's colour, there's a good bit more to choose from now. You get 24 default colours up from the old 11, and on a computer there's a full colour picker as well, so that's around 200, near enough any colour. It's still rolling out, so if it's not there yet, it's on its way. Right, the everyday way first. Find the event you want to change and give it a click. I'll do this dentist one here. Up comes the colour menu. Those are your 24 colours, so just pick whichever one takes your fancy. I'll go for a nice blue, and see that? The event's changed colour quick as you like. That's honestly the whole thing, and it works the same on your phone or on your computer. Click the event, pick a colour and sort it. Now for the fun part, this bit's on a computer. At the bottom of that colour menu, there's custom colour. Click into that, and you get yourself a proper colour wheel. Just drag around to any shade you like, any green, any teal you fancy, or if you already know the exact colour, type its hex code straight in, same result. Then hit add and your event's that custom colour. That's how you get any colour at all. Quick honest word about your phone. On mobile, you still get all 24 colours to pick from, and any custom colours you made over on the computer, they turn up on your phone too, ready to use. There's just no colour wheel on the mobile yet, so to make a brand new one, you'll need to hop on to a computer. And that's you sorted. Go and colour code the whole calendar, the work, the family, the lot.